Welcome to Rust-Proof Labs. Track your garden. It's harvest time. The growing season is over. It's time to reap the benefits of all your hard work. In this video, we will explore the harvest page in detail. To begin, click on one of the two green buttons labeled Record Harvest. First, select from the Genetic Harvested drop-down menu. Enter harvest date and number of units harvested. If you so desire, you may also enter weight harvested. If you choose to enter the weight of your harvest, select either ounces or pounds. Once you are satisfied with your data entry, please click Save Harvest. The next page displays your saved harvest data. From the Harvest Details page, you can view multiple entries. Entries can be recorded in either ounces or pounds. And that's all there is to it. Congratulations on a successful season. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your time at Track Your Garden.